Cut the strap of the box with a paper cutter or knife. Take out the bike. Cut all the cable tie. Remove the front wheel and handlebar. Install the saddle and tighten it with QR. With the bike, you will find a small part box. Inside the box, you will find pedal, front wheel QR, toolkit, front and rear reflector and warranty card. Remove the stem face plate with Allen key provided with the toolkit. Install the handlebar and tighten the stem face plate bolt as shown. To install the front wheel, loosen front V-brake as shown. Check the direction of front wheel with the help of markings given on the tire side wall. Inflate the tire to the recommended pressure. Install the front wheel as shown. Front wheel QR comes with 2 springs. Install the wheel QR and tighten it as shown. Make sure QR lever should lock easily. It should neither be too tight nor be too loose. Adjust the brake pads as shown with the Allen key provided. Check the brakes. If both arms are not functioning properly, remove the tension spring of the side which is not moving and tighten the adjusting screw and put the tension spring back. Straighten the handlebar and tighten the stem pinch bolts. Install the pedal on the crank. The pedals are marked with R and L on axle and a sticker is pasted. Make sure to install the pedal on the correct crank. To tighten the right pedal, turn it in clockwise direction. To install the left pedal, turn it in anti-clockwise direction. Tighten both pedals with the multi-spanner provided in the toolkit. Adjust the saddle as shown with the help of multi-spanner. Install front and rear reflector as shown. Your bike is ready to ride.